In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a background and set a white background in Fotor. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to take an image in Fotor, strip out the background, and replace it with a clean white backdrop for a crisp, professional look. This is perfect for product photos, profile pictures, or any design that needs a simple, distraction-free background. First, head to Fotor.com in your browser. On the home page, click Log In and sign in with your account. If you're already logged in, you'll land on your Fotor workspace. If you're not, just choose your usual sign-in method and continue. Once you're in, you have two ways to get started. You can create a brand new project, or you can open something you've already been working on. If you want a fresh canvas, select the option to start a new project and upload the image you plan to edit. If your image is already in Fotor, go to your library and open the existing project. When your project is open on the canvas, look toward the top of the interface and find the Remove Background option. This tool uses Fotor's AI to detect the subject and separate it from the background. Click Remove Background and give it a few seconds to process. The timing will depend on your image size and your connection, so don't worry if it takes a moment. You'll see a preview of the cutout when it's done, which makes it easy to confirm that your subject is cleanly isolated. After the background removal finishes, select the Change Background option. Again, it may take a little while for the next panel to load, especially with larger files, so let it complete. In the background settings, navigate to Colors. This is where you can pick the exact color you want behind your subject. For a classic polished finish, choose white. A pure white background is a great choice for listings, portfolios, and banners because it keeps the focus on your subject and ensures consistency across your images. Take a moment to look over the edges of your cutout against the white. Because white is unforgiving, it quickly reveals stray shadows or faint halos. If you notice anything, simply wait for the processing to stabilize and make sure your subject is clearly defined. If you prefer a softer look, a slightly off-white shade is available in the same colors section, but pure white is usually the most versatile. Aikimasu. That's all you need to do. Log in, open, or create a project, remove the background, then change it to white in the Colors panel. With these steps, you can turn any image into a clean, professional visual in just a few clicks.